વર્લ્ડ બેડમિન્ટનમાં હાલ ભારતીય ખેલાડીઓ નવા શિખર પર છે અને ગુજરાત પણ ધીરે ધીરે બેડમિન્ટન તરફ એપ્રોચ બદલાયો છે। છેલ્લા 5 વર્ષમાં ભારત તરફથી ઘણા ચેમ્પિયન ખેલાડીઓ જોવા મળ્યા। આ ખેલાડી નવા શિખર પર પહોંચવામાં એક પૂર્વ ખેલાડી અને હાલના કોચનો બહુ મોટો હાથ છે। મળીએ ભારતીય ટીમના બેડમિન્ટન કોચ અને પદ્મભૂષણ સહિત ટીચર એન્ડ સ્ટુડન્ટ એવોર્ડ જીતનાર એકમાત્ર ભારતીય પુલેલા ગોપીચંદને।
સાયના નેહવાલ હાલ વર્લ્ડ નંબર 1 બેડમિન્ટન પ્લેયર છે, પરંતુ તેની પાછળ જે બેડમિન્ટન સ્ટાર એક પ્લેયર તરીકે અને પ્લેયર બાદ એક સ્ટાર કોચ જેને છેલ્લા 4-5 વર્ષમાં ભારતને આપ્યા બેડમિન્ટન સ્ટાર। આપણી સાથે છે ભારતીય બેડમિન્ટન કોચ પુલેલા ગોપીચંદ। ગોપીચંદજી, ઇટ્સ પ્રિવિલેજ टू मीट यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विजिटिंग गुजरात। काफ़ी कुछ बदला है। 80s में प्रकाश पादुकोण ने ऑल इंग्लैंड जीता था, 2001 में आपने जीता। जो है 20 इयर्स का जो गैप है, 2000 तक प्रकाश पादुकोण एंड आफ्टर दैट you are, I think we expecting lot more to come in the future from your side.
I think it's been wonderful. The last few years for Indian badminton have been fantastic. I think we've had results at the most major events in the world, whether it's the Asian Championships, Commonwealth Games, World Championships. I think we've had some good medals, and hopefully in the years to come we'll also get even better. But overall, I think the way the players have done, especially the world ranking of the top players, I think is very inspiring. And I hope that a whole bunch of next generation of players come in and just increase our performances even better.
Approach तो players का बैडमिंटन की ओर बदला है, लेकिन about the players and coaches and the facilities which we have right now in India and many states like in Andhra Pradesh, do you think it's need to be in the whole part at grassroots level? You are came for Baroda Academy, especially in Gujarat, for the Gujarati players, and the more curiosity and approach towards that game.
I think if you look at, I think for a very long time, I think infrastructure has been a real issue with badminton. And only now I think we are starting to look at stadiums which can boast of a larger number of courts. Otherwise, mostly we used to have 1 or 2 badminton courts, and 1 or 2 places only used to have these 4 courts or 3 courts badminton halls. But today the reality of bigger halls, bigger stadiums, bigger playing fields is looking good. I think Baroda has about 6 badminton courts in 1 hall, which could also be 9 badminton courts, and then we have few places already in Ahmedabad which have almost 4 badminton courts, and I'm sure in the days and years to come we'll see much more. I think infrastructure country-wise for the badminton sport has grown. We are seeing more number of courts which are upwards of say 10 and 12. We have started to see 15 court, 20 court badminton halls as well, and this definitely will help badminton. And definitely Gujarat has a lot of talent, and with the infrastructure building up, the facilities of the government and the support from the state government being very good, I see no reason why badminton could be a very big sport in Gujarat.
Like other games, many countries has a club culture in badminton. Do you think it need to be in India, because time is changed, scenario is changed, approach is changed? Basically, after the IBL, we can see if we can see in the future there is a club culture also play a big role in India for the badminton.
I think the leagues are a big thing. I think the cricket league started it off, and badminton was definitely a big success. And going forward, I think we'll have even bigger players come by, and hopefully we'll have bigger leagues come by, bigger people getting associated with the sport, which will be even better for the players.
अब तो हम देख रहे हैं सिंगल्स में काफ़ी दबदबा है। इंडोनेशियन ओपन की देख लीजिए। अब डबल्स की तरह भी अभी इंडिया की क्या ज़रूरत है आफ्टर अश्विनी पोनप्पा एंड ज्वाला गट्टा?
I think we are starting to do well in the doubles department as well. Definitely Jwala and Ashwini have done very well, and if you look at the performances of Sumit Reddy and Manu, or the performances of the other doubles players like in various tournaments, I think have starting to look well. The last Asian Championships at the sub juniors, we had 3 medals in the doubles department, so the youngsters are doing well as well. Definitely the challenge remains how more players will take the sport up at the lower age groups, because I think for a very long time we've had this issue of specialization into the doubles department happen at a very late age, and I think it's very important that players start specializing early, our coaches start looking at developing double skills in players who are good in doubles.
Thank you for sir talking with GSTV, and we hope more and more expect from you from the future like we got in last 5 years.
Thank you very much. It's nice talking to you.
તો આ હતા પુલેલા ગોપીચંદ, ભારતીય બેડમિન્ટન સ્ટાર્સને પ્રોડ્યુસ કરનાર. છેલ્લા 5 વર્ષમાં ભારતીય બેડમિન્ટનની તસવીર બદલાઈ છે. સાયના નહેવાલ, પીવી સિંધુ અને કશ્યપ જેવા પ્લેયર્સ ભારતને મળ્યા છે અને અનેક એચિવમેન્ટ્સ ભારતને અપાવી છે. વી હોપ કે આવા જ કોચને આ ફેસિલિટીઝમાં જે એપ્રોચ બદલાયો છે ભારતને વધુ સિદ્ધિઓ ભવિષ્યમાં હાંસલ થાય. કેમેરા પર્સન વસંત સાથે પ્રવીણ આહિર, GSTV, અમદાવાદ.